Guess what I got asked? Yep, the classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Grind out. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Let me tell you a story about a student who misunderstood grind out. He thought it meant to physically grind something until it's gone. But that's not what it means. To grind out means to work hard and persistently until you achieve something. For example, I had to grind out a 10-page essay in one night. To remember the meaning of grind out, think of a coffee grinder. It grinds coffee beans persistently until they turn into powder. Similarly, you have to work hard and persistently until you achieve your goal. Let me share a story using grind out. John had to grind out a 100-page report in a week. He worked day and night, drank lots of coffee, and finally finished it. Now, he's enjoying a well-deserved vacation. Fun fact 1. Grind out is often used in sports to describe a team's hard-fought victory. Fun fact 2. The phrase grind it out has a similar meaning. Fun fact 3. Grind is also a noun that means a difficult or tedious task. Example 1. I had to grind out a living as a freelancer. This means that the speaker had to work hard and persistently to earn a living. Example 2. The team had to grind out a win in the last few minutes. This means that the team had to work hard and persistently to secure a victory. Sentence: I had to grind out a 20-page report in one day. Rephrased 1. I had to work hard and persistently to finish a 20-page report in one day. Rephrased 2. I had to put in a lot of effort to complete a 20-page report in one day. A real-life story about grinding out is that of J.K. Rowling. She was rejected by several publishers before finally getting her book published. She had to grind out her writing and persistently work hard to achieve her dream. Similar expressions to grind out include work hard, persevere, and push through. Opposite expressions include give up, quit, and throw in the towel. Related idioms include put your nose to the grindstone and keep your nose to the grindstone. Quiz 1. What does grind out mean? A. To physically grind something until it's gone. B. To work hard and persistently until you achieve something. C. To give up easily. Answer: B. Grind out means to work hard and persistently until you achieve something. Quiz 2. Which of the following is a similar expression to grind out? A. Give up. B. Work hard. C. Quit. Answer: B. Work hard is a similar expression to grind out. Quiz 3. Which of the following is an opposite expression to grind out? A. Keep going. B. Push through. C. Give up. Answer: C. Give up is an opposite expression to grind out. To sum up, grind out means to work hard and persistently until you achieve something. Remember, you can use a coffee grinder as a memory aid. And don't forget to share your own story with grind out in the comments below.